Hi everyone, today we will start chapter 7, and in section 7.1 we will talk about common logarithms. So please turn to a new page of your notebook, write down the date of today and the learning target. Introduction to Logarithms, and we will simply call it as log, L-O-G. Okay, so at the same time, please help me to pause the video and then copy the table on your notebook. Okay, so this is an activity for introductions to logarithms. So as you can see, there are several numbers on the left column. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we have to convert this number into base of 10. Okay, and I will demonstrate two to you. Okay, so first, 100, we can change it into 10 to the power 2. Okay, and then for 0.01, we can first change it into a fraction that is 1 over 100, and then it can be further converted into 10 to the power negative 2. Okay, so for the remaining 4, please help me to pause the video and then try it on your own, and then I will check the answer with you later. Okay, so let's check the answer. Okay, for the first one, for the third one, it is 10 to the power 5. And then 10 to the power negative 4. And then 10 to the power 1. And finally, for 1, it should be 10 to the power 0. So for the next part, we are going to take a look of the right column. So we are going to take log of the numbers. Okay, so we will write it as log 100. Okay, so how can we calculate this number? It's by our calculator. So please take a look of the calculator. For the log function, it is here. So after you press the log function, you can input the number inside the brackets and then execute, you can get the result. So for log 100, the result will be 2. Then please help me to pause the video and then finish the remaining 5, and I will check the answer with you later. So please check the answer for yourself. Then I have a question. If you consider the number and the index, can you see or discover any relations between the numbers and their indexes? Okay, so if you take log of a certain number, the result must be same as its index with base 10. And it must be true. Okay, so to check your understanding, if there is a certain number, for example x, and it is given that it is equals to 10 to the power y, so if we take log of this number, log x, without any calculation, we know that the result must be equals to y. Okay, and this is our conversion. Okay, so similarly, if we start with starting with the right column, that is, if it is given that log a, it is equals to b, so how can we get back the result of a? So a must be equals to 10 to the power b. And this is the relations that we can draw from this activity. So please put a red box for this important result and then put 2 stars for it.